It started with rain. Not loud, not sudden. Just enough to soften the day. The world grows quieter when it rains. As if everything agrees to slow down. There is nowhere to rush to. Nothing asking to be finished. Some people wait for the rain to pass. But here, we let it stay. Because in the quiet, it brings something inside us softens too. Thoughts slow. Breathing deepens. The rain will leave. Eventually. But this feeling doesn't have to. Stay as long as you need.